Hey team, hope everybody's doing well. I'm gonna get some short video. It's really loud in the pump house. We actually have all the slides operational right now. We have a small event today. I got video coming out for that tomorrow as well about we had to do our own test rides for it. So I got some more video coming out tomorrow. Today, just some information. We had a huge storm last night. It's the one that crossed the entire nation, a cold front from Sunday, I believe, all the way through to this morning. It cleared out, but brought cold weather, cold water, and a lot of rain. Like, we got about 1.5 inches last night of rain. All the pools were overfilled completely, and the surge pit for this is actually overfilled, but it's flowing really good. I know some people wanted to see the surge pit, so we're actually going to go into it. This is the surge pit right here. I'm actually not going to go into it, but I wanted to explain what's going on. It's really loud in there. Hopefully you can hear some stuff and I'll be able to talk, but here, check it out. So you can see how turbid it is. At the very end over there is that 30-inch line that brings in water from the bottom of the pool over there in from the splash pool for this attraction, for that attraction. It's a lot of water. These pumps right here, all these are the pumps for it, and then that's the filter. That's the filter pump. So right now we're looking around. Each pump here is pulling 2,500 gallons a minute. So if we do 4, that's 10,000 gallons plus the intake right here. That's for the filter system. That one's pulling at I think 1,800 gallons a minute or 1,700, something like that. So we're looking around almost, you know, almost 12,000 gallons a minute, roughly. Okay, let's cut it down to 11,000, right? But nonetheless, that's a lot of water movement, a lot of turbidity in there already. You can see the rain did bring a lot of trash, so that's why the water doesn't look exactly crisp. But this is how the pump house works, you know, it's just, you know, with the rain and stuff like that. We are draining a little bit of water. It's a little above the flow that we typically like, but nonetheless, it's still good. It's still operational, and we'll stick with it like that. So that's the tower. Let's go look at another tower. It's not as fun, but we'll look at it. All right, team. So this surge pit controls that tower. So that's got the 3 slides. And then there's 2 slides on the bottom. Okay, that's all these pumps right here. And you see, it doesn't look like a lot of water's moving, but this one's around, moving through the tank is around 7,000 gallons a minute total. You don't see another pump, but you can see the intake for it. It's back behind the filter. But you can see the white pipe right there? So that's the overflow. It's already very high. But we drained a little bit out. It's actually draining just a little bit still, but nonetheless, like, that's a lot of water in this pit right now. Let's say that this pit is I think it's 10 feet deep, so that's a lot of water just sitting right here. Yeah, it's more like 8 feet deep now looking at it. I don't remember, about 8 feet deep. But this is also the activity pool filter and water, so everything's fed from the activity pool out of here to run that attraction. And you know, that's just, we're saving money on the pump houses and stuff like that, and really, it really helps out in that sense. We can just control a bunch of water slides without having another filter and, you know, another surge tank, all that. It just works out to have it come off of one pump house, so, or one pool, if you will. So, and I'm tired from riding. Yeah, that's all the pumps here for those. This special one right here, this is a filter. That's for the sprayers on the blue water slide. It's got some high pressure pump, a high pressure sprayer, and that little pump right there, that's this one. That's a pain in that pump's a pain in our ass. But that pump right there is high pressure. I think it's at around 100 psi, because that's what makes the sprayers actually work really well. And because those sprayers are the orifice on the sprayers is very small, we have to have this special filter here for them. Getting bit by an ant. And those will filter down to 100 microns, if I'm not mistaken. It actually says it on the side, 100 microns. We call these disc filters. You see, that's what they are right there. And they need to be cleaned a lot because they get a lot of trash in them. But I know that these are actually used a lot in the landscape or not, well, irrigation for like farmlands and stuff. That's what these are used for, because those orifices, the sprayers out there are also small. So that's basically what it is. But you know, it works well for what our application, if you will. So anyway, team, we'll see you on the next one. Take care. Stay warm. We'll see you in the next one.